Hey guys, welcome back to the Excel series. So today's topic is hiding and unhiding rows and columns in Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so let's say this is your data and you want to hide some of the columns. So what you need to do is just right click on select the column, right click on it and click on hide. Okay, in a similar way, if you want to hide multiple columns, select those columns, press the control button, select the other column which you want, right click hide. And if you want to just unhide it, there are multiple ways to unhide. One way to do is, let's say you know that there are some columns in between these rows and you want to unhide, then what you can do is just select this section, right click unhide. So this column is unhidden. Now there is a column over here which is hidden, there is a column over here which is hidden. So what you can do is just select this whole section and then just double click it. So all of these columns are unhidden. Okay, so now let's say there are more columns which are hidden. Okay, now you don't, let's say you are having hundreds of those columns. So what if you want to unhide all of these columns in one shot? So what you can do is just click this section over here and then you can either right click over here and click unhide, or else you can just double click this and it will open up everything. Similar way for rows also, if you want to hide any of the column, select that column and do unhide. If you want to unhide, select that section, okay, right click unhide. If you know where exactly it is, you can go to those call rows and just double click this section and it will open up. Okay, and in a similar way, let's say you have multiple rows which are hidden and some rows which you don't know, like you cannot go to each and every record and see whether there is any record over here. So what you need to do is just select this, either double click it or double click over here, or else if you don't know where exactly it is, right click and right click on the rows, okay, and unhide. So it will open up each and every rows. So that was regarding hiding unhiding columns and rows. So if you want to hide a sheet also, you can just right click on it, click hide. So now hide unhide sheet is hidden. So if you want to unhide it, just click on unhide and it will show up all those sheets which are hidden. So just press OK and it will show you the sheet which was hidden. So that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. And in the comment section, you can give your comments. So Jai Hind, Jai Jinendra.